Well, it's a sign of the times. February 29th, 2020. My local Walmart has almost no hydrogen peroxide and very little of the alcohol left. Well, they've run out of hand sanitizer. Both the foaming and the bigger bottles. The shelves are completely cleared. The interesting thing though, there was lots of the hand soap. This is actually the last 2 bottles of hand sanitizer. It was only 60% alcohol, which isn't as strong as I would really prefer. I picked them up anyway, just in case. There's still some toilet paper on the shelves at my local Walmart. It's starting to get picked over, but there was still plenty of stock. After I was done here, I went to my local Fred Meyer's. They were running out of the Lysol and Clorox wipes for sanitizing surfaces, as well as being completely out of stock of their hand sanitizer in both normal sizes and the travel packs. This is the travel pack area. Food's still on the shelves now. Doesn't stop me from wanting to grow my own. Be ready for those times when it might not be. Take care, everyone.